Alrighty, let's have a look. I'm going to do St. Jude's Children's Hospital. I think that's it. St. Jude's Children's Hospital. Let's have a look at my list. Top 100 charities. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Okay, let's dive in. Let's have a look. Okay, so we are looking at a charity website. Charity is about $2 billion turnover. Let's drag it up into my little section here. And what have we got? So we have a nice little top bar there at the top. Patient referrals, donate now. Then we've got a nice navigation which goes a full width. Lots of space, which is nice, easy to navigate. Donate now, very nice. Finding cures, saving children. So they've got a great little strap line there, which is very easy to understand what they do. Find cures, save children, simple. It's great. Really clear, really simple. And then we've got three options: refer a patient, explore our research, donate now, 5 reasons to become a monthly member, a monthly donor. So this is very clear. It feels like it's very well thought out. The strap line, I think probably a lot of work went into that because it's very minimal. And it's difficult to come up with a minimal strap line, so I can admit. So yeah, it's a good start on this website and I like what I'm seeing. Let me just scroll down. Accelerating discovery, holiday giving, view a timeline of our journey to advance cures and means of prevention of paediatric catastrophic diseases. Share the joy of holidays through donation gifts. Okay, that's okay. I think there's not really going into what they do, who they are, how does it make my life better, how can I get involved, how can I support. I'm not seeing any of that, which is what I'd want to see. I would also want to see some kind of a mailing list or subscribe function up here at the top. Some ways to I've got get involved up there, but just below the fold here I would expect to see something. Not seeing any call to actions here as well. So would I know this as a button? I don't know. So we need a good button there encouraging me to click, and a good button here encouraging me to click. Got a nice little graphic there of stars. Are there stars anywhere else? St. Jude's Research? No. But they're bringing through the red colour, that's okay. Stories of impact, love those. A nice little scroll thing, that'll look nice on a mobile. Love stories of impact, pictures of people smiling, nice one there. Read her story, it personalises the whole thing, helps you to feel connected to the organisation. And yeah, people attract people. We are in the people business. St. Jude is the leading way the world understands, treats and defeats childhood cancer. Okay, so now we're getting into what you actually do. So this is the problem that you are solving. Very clear. But again, I think we need some kind of call to action. Molecular diagnostics bring treatment opportunity to infants with brain tumours. Wow. 10 thoughtful holiday gifts. So is this a blog? It kind of feels a little bit disconnected. So you've got something that's quite a large issue on this side here. And then here you've got something that's just very light-hearted and a little bit kind of disconnected. So what I would do is really lead with this strap line here. Have a good call to action, have a good story. And then I would go back into give to St. Jude's, which you've got it here, other ways to give. Get your Jude's cards, but it kind of looks like a shop, which to me can feel a little bit tacky, to say the least. If it just had a donate form here, that would be great. Give to St. Jude's. This is what you're supporting. Let's keep going down. St. Jude's Global, reaching the world. We're committed to ensuring that every child with cancer and other catastrophic diseases have access to quality care and treatment no matter where they live in the world. Okay, yeah, brilliant. Nice world map here showing you exactly what they're talking about. Learn more. That's a nondescript button, as they say. That could be something like reach the world, solve catastrophic diseases. A really good call to action that's going to pull people in. Join our mission, research in hospital jobs. This is where people can get involved. Okay, join our mission, that's fine. Again, no buttons here. They've gone for the minimal look, but I don't think it's very helpful for people who are navigating the site, want to do something quickly. Maybe on the mobile it's a bit clearer, but on the desktop you need buttons, And then here, I think this is done for a mobile, because you've got the buttons all in a line. Learn more about us, you've got the awards here, and connect with us. Again, some of these awards, really, they should be going up the top of the page. They should be kind of up this way, really. A bit of social proof always helps. Give us some logos up the top of the page. Let us know who you're connected with. Let us know who's using you and who trusts you. They're always a good signal. So I think overall I just want a little bit more information. I want to have more ways to give on this page, more ways to get involved, and making it easy, taking away the friction. I don't have to click. Let's have some forms on here. Let's have a mailing list form on here. I don't want to click. I just want to enter my information. So anything to make it easy, great. You've got a video here. That's going to slow down the site, and we'll check that now. Let me input these details and just see how it performs in Google page speed in GT metrics, and then let's see how carbon heavy and how dirty it is, because I'm pretty sure this video is going to slow the site down no end. Okay, let's have a quick dive into, let's have a look at the mobile site actually first. So it's looking nice on the mobile. We've got a nice search bar at the top helping you get straight in. Really good clear buttons using the red and the blue, obviously from their brand. It's nice. Donate now. Yeah, and it does look better on the mobile, which is good. Yeah, that's nice, as I expected. St. Jude's leading the way to understand streets, cancer fighting diseases, and then it goes into the shop. So this is a bit disconnected again from this part here. So you've got this compelling statement here. After that, I need to find out how to get involved, and then you've got like a shop, 10 thoughtful holiday gifts under $25. It kind of feels a little bit disconnected. And you've got here, I've got the globe there again, which is nicely laid out. That's all nice. Join our mission. No call to actions, but on the mobile it's slightly easier to know that you have to tap there. But call to actions are always good. They increase conversions, call to actions do. They increase conversions. Let's dive into the meta. Have a quick look at the structure. Common. Description tag too long, so this will be truncated in Google search results. Needs to be 170 characters or less. To not be truncated. And structure data looks good. Mobile. Maximum scale and viewport should not be set. Okay, so that's a little bit of mobile structure that needs to be fixed. And then let's have a look at the overall website structure. Looks like all the header tags are intact and in order. Well done. That's great. We've got some missing width but it looks like all your alt tags are there. Title tags are not there. And missing loading attribute. So there's a couple of things there which are easy fixes. Title tags on the images, easy fix. Easy fix. But it needs to be there for SEO purposes. All right, let's have a look at page speed insights. Let's have a go. So I think this might, oh, it's passed, which is surprising. So they've been doing some pretty good optimization. Performance has failed, actually. So let's have a look. Yeah, no, that is a fail, really, on the performance. So overall, it's passed. You've got the video that's loading pretty quick, so it must be a tiny video. It must be a tiny loop on the video. Got the guy kissing, you've got a woman in a mask, and then you've got the woman in a mask, woman looking intently, I think some students. Yeah, so it's quite a small video, I think, because the elements are loading pretty quick on the site. It's still affecting the performance though. It's 12 seconds is a long time to load. Let's have a look. JavaScript is affecting it, render blocking resources, images that could be optimized a bit better. Those stars are causing a bit of a problem, I can see there. Reducing initial server response, DOM size. Yeah, and it's all kind of basic code, CSS, JavaScript is blocking stuff. Auto block. We've got a capture. And then we've got Google Tag Manager. We've got the CDN cookies. St. Jude, Adobe, and a couple of other CDNs and cookies that are slowing down the site. So let's have a look at GT metrics. It's got a C in GT. A C in GT. So performance again is pretty low. Total blocking time 838. And so here we've got a 19 megabyte payload, which is a 19 megabyte file that is being downloaded every time somebody goes on the site. Let's have a look if we can see what that is in the waterfall. Let's have a look. Is there any? Let's click on video, what the video's doing. Images. Images are not too bad. Let's have a look what's really spiking it. If I can find it. If I can find it, it's got to be that video. I mean, I'm not seeing it here. But it's got to be. It's got to be. The server is quite slow, actually. The server's looking a little bit slow there. And everything else looks okay. But I'm sure the video is going to be a massive hog on resources. So what's this here? This is something that's pulling in from the CDN. This is probably the video. But I can't tell from this file name, actually. BC Bolt, can't tell from the file name. A couple of images, a couple of JavaScript. The DOM elements are slightly large. But yeah, so that's got a C, and I'm pretty sure it's the video that is just loading really slowly every time the site loads. Just have a quick look at Carbon. C, that's really good as well, good for having a video. So I'm looking at a well optimized site. So this C is above global average, cleaner than 58% of all websites globally, which is a pretty good. That's something to be proud of. It's not producing too much CO2 every time it loads. It's nice, and the website is hosted using sustainable energy. So yeah, that is brill. That's brill. So I mean, overall, we are not doing too bad. The video is good. It's highly optimized. It's not affecting the site too much. It's passing Core Web Vitals. It's nicely laid out, but could do with more calls to action, a bit more text, a few more stories of impact, and something to allow me to connect. And really laying out the problem. The problem is here. but I don't see the solution anywhere. So I really need to see that with the call to actions. But yeah, overall, yeah, we're doing quite nicely on there. Thank you very much, Saint Jude.